advanced data types. First one, blob. Second one, clob. Note advanced data types. First one, blob. Second one, clob. Advanced data types. First one, blob. Second one, clob. These data types are Oracle side, blob, clob. But in Java side, what is there? I'll show you. Java side also interface are there. See, first a blob. Note on. Blob stands for binary large object. Blob stands for binary large object. Blob stands for binary large object. Binary large object. It is used to store or retrieve large amount of binary data as a single entity in or from database. It is used to store or retrieve large amount of binary data as a single entity in or from database. It is used to store or retrieve large amount of binary data as a single entity in or from database. So instead of writing two statements, one statement I given. It is used to store large amount of binary data as a single entity in a database, or it is used to retrieve large amount of binary data as a single entity from database. So instead of writing two statements, one statement I given. Okay. It is used to store or retrieve large amount of binary data as a single entity in or from database. You already studied in core Java streams, Java streams. How many types of streams? Two types. What are those? Byte streams, character streams. What's the difference between byte stream and character streams? Two types of streams you studied, no? Byte streams and character streams. What's the difference between byte stream and character stream? Byte, so it will take bytes, so character will take character. Yeah, that is also difference only. What is the difference? What is it? Bytes, it supports all types of data. Text, image, graphics, animation, audio, video, everything. What character stream? Only text. Byte stream supports everything. Character stream supports only text. That's the difference. So like that here, blob, clob. Write it. It supports all types of data. Text, image. It supports text, image, graphics, animation, audio, video, dash, etc. It supports all types of data. Text, image, graphics, animation, audio, video, dash, etc. It supports all types of data. Text, image, graphics, animation, audio, video, dash, etc. So blob, like a byte stream. Clob, like a character stream. Blob supports all types. Clob supports only text. See, blob, clob. Binary large object, character large object. Next, write it. Second one, clob. Clob supports, clob stands for character large object. It is used to store or retrieve large amount of character data as a single entity in or from database. It supports text only. It supports text only. Blob stands for binary large object. CLOB stands for character large object. It supports text only. Now, suppose if you want to use text, blob possible or not possible? Blob possible or not possible? Possible. CLOB? If you want to use text, CLOB possible or not? Possible. Blob also possible, CLOB also possible for text. Suppose if you want to use image, blob possible, CLOB not possible. So other than text is there. Other than text is there, which one you have to use? Other than text is there, compulsory blob. There is no other option. But text is there, blob possible, CLOB possible. Then what's the difference? CLOB also possible, blob also possible. Now instead of that, everything blob only can use, no? Why CLOB? Like a byte stream, character stream in core Java. Two types of streams. Byte stream supports all types of data. Character stream supports only text. But a text purpose byte stream also you can use. Why character stream? Give me answer. Size 1 byte, 2 byte, that is nothing. 16-bit, 8-bit. Character will occupy 2 bytes. Byte will occupy 1 byte. That is 8-bit, this is 16-bit. Any other? Okay, that is also one difference. Okay, next. Byte stream, character streams, say it is a one text file. Here A, B, C, D, something text is there. Okay. Now, if I read with byte stream, possible. If I read with character stream, possible. You can use byte stream also. You can use character stream also. What's the difference? What is it? Now this is text file. Through byte stream you can read the data. Through character stream you can read the data. What's the difference? What is it? Byte stream, if you write, what will happen? It will receive like this: 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, like this it will take. Bytes, ASCII code. If you use character stream, what will happen? A, B, C, D only comes. Okay. Byte stream, if you use, ASCII comes. Character stream, if you use, characters comes. Is a difference. If you use byte stream, what will happen? Again, conversion required. Conversion. But if you use character stream, conversion is not required. Then, if text is there, which one better? Which one better? Character stream. That's what text is there. Use character stream. Other than text is there, byte stream. There is no other option. For that compulsory that one only. Suppose here one image is there. It's a one image. This one with a byte stream possible. It's a byte stream. You can read. With character stream, it is not possible. Okay. So other than text is there, other than text is there. Other than text is there, compulsory we have to use byte stream. There is no other option. Text is there, byte stream possible, character stream possible. But which one is better? Character stream better. It will read characters only. If you use byte stream, ASCII code comes. That is the reason better to go for glob. There, byte stream, character stream, here blob, glob. Now, suppose one task I'll give, the task how to do, we'll see now. Suppose it's on database like Oracle. In this Oracle database, I want to insert one image. Oracle database. Here, one table I'll create. Images table. I'll create. Table name images. Here. Here, just a name of the image. Image. Okay. This name, I'll go for varchar 2 type. Okay, varchar to 10. Varchar to 10 type, I'll set. This is data type. Image. This is blob type. Okay, it is blob type. See, this is on database. Here varchar to 10 type, it is blob type. Now, it is one Java application. From this Java application, SQL request, I'll pass. SQL response comes. Now, my task is, this is one task. It is flowers.jpg, one file. This one file, something image is there. Okay. Now, this image I want to store in database. This image I want to store in database. What we have to write? Query, give me answer. That image I want to insert in database. What we have to write? Which query? Insert query. What do you write? Insert into images values. After that, something flowers. That is name, not a file name. Name. Next, what do you write? Name also flowers I given. Name of the image. Next. What do you write? What do you write? See, just observe in C drive. EDR flowers. One image is there. This image I want to store in database. This is my task. What we have to write? Query, give me answer. What we have to write? Insert into table name images values. Now any name, something flowers. Next, what do you write? File name like this, flowers.jpg. If I write, what is be stored? Flowers.jpg stored. If I write like that. Okay, I'll remove double quotes. If I remove double quote, error comes. Path, complete path. Suppose C drive, ABC folder, if file, if you write, what is going to be stored? This path is going to be stored. How do you find? Now, actually, now that is C drive. Path is this one only. See, actually, this image I want to store, not path of the image, not file name. Image I want to store. Got your point? Understood my point? Path, if I write, path only stored, then blob is not required. Varchar 2 you can write. For storing path of the image, for storing file name, blob is not required. Blob is not required. Only you can write varchar 2 10. Then why blob? I want to store this one, not this one. Not file name. Not file name, not file path. I want to store image, file content. What do you do? Understood my question? Was easy clear my question? Any confusion is there? Now, this file name, flowers.jpg, that is I don't want to store. This is I want to store. Okay? Path, if I write, path will be stored. See, byte stream classes you have to use. You studied in core Java. First of all, here see, in the diagram only will explain. In the diagram only. Here. See here. See here. Here, what I am doing, see, image table. This table contains two fields. Name of the image, image. Now, here actually, this is dynamic query required, because file name, if you want to store, static query also you can write. File path, if you want to store, static query you can write. But I want to store file content, not file name, not file path. Content I want to store. Then what you have to do is, that is we cannot erase. That's the reason I'm doing like this. Say, now at the command prompt, what I'll do is like this, I'll write Java something blob demo. Okay. At the command prompt, I'll write Java blob demo. Java blob demo, I'll write. Here, what I'll do is, name of the image I'll pass, flowers. After that, file name or file path, flowers.jpg, I'll write. This is at the command prompt, I'll pass. At the command prompt, I'll pass. Then what I'll do, here I'll write question marks. Here I'll write 2 question marks. Question mark, close. Like this I'll write. Okay. It is first question mark is name of the image. Second question mark is content required. Now these flowers, that is name of the image. This is directly I'll paste here. This is directly I'll place in this question mark. Now this flowers dot image is there, no? Flowers dot jpg is there, no? This is I'll pass to file. This content I want to place. For this stream required. This stream you studied in core Java classes. Stream means flow of data. That image we have to store. For this you studied file input stream. Studied, no? How to read data from file input stream. That data we have to read, that data we have to insert. Not path of the image, not file name. File name if you insert, file path if you insert, varchar 2 enough, blob is not required. Why blob? Blob is not required. Name of the image, path of the image, if you want to store, blob is not required. So if you run this program now, what will happen is, if you run this one, now it is going to be inserted here. Here, flowers inserted, flowers. Here, image inserted, image. It is going to be inserted. So name of the image inserted, image inserted. Like this we can insert. Now at the command prompt, I'm passing name of the image. Name of the image also I'm writing flowers. Any other also you can write. Okay. File name I'm passing. This flowers as it is inserted. But this flowers.jpg opened. Flowers.jpg opened. That content as a stream it comes. That stream nothing but file input stream. Okay. Here this question mark number 1. This question mark number 2. Here this argument index 0. This argument index 1. FIS nothing but file input stream. FIS stands for file input stream. Okay. Now this is our task. All right, this one. So name of the image, path of the image, if you want to store, blob concept is not required. So with file input stream, we have to read the file content. That content we have to insert. Is it static query or dynamic query? Dynamic. Static not possible. Dynamic only. Okay. Because that is file. You cannot type content, file content. So we have to read through streams. File input stream required. Is it over? So at the command prompt, I'll pass name of the image. I'll pass file path. Name as it is, I'll insert. File path, the file we have to open. The content you have to read. That is you have to insert. Okay, content you have to insert. Not path of the image, not file name. Content you have to insert. For that, stream required. That is only file input stream. Okay. Is it over? See. See. Methods required. Prepared statement because dynamic query. Like you studied set boolean, set byte, set short, set int, set long, set float, like these methods. Like that only here. Set binary stream, set character stream methods are there. These setter methods we have to use. It is first one for blob, second one for glob. Right, this one. It is used to set the blob. It is used to get the blob. Glob. Sorry. It is used to set the glob. Blob, glob. Binary large object, data, character large object. It is a question mark number, like a placeholder index. Understanding purpose, better question mark number only write it. Question mark number. It is byte stream. Here stream length. Length of the stream. Here question mark number. Here character stream. Here length of the stream. Now input stream is byte stream or character stream? Byte stream. Reader is character stream. You have studied in core Java class. If the class name ends with stream, that is byte stream. The class name ends with reader, writer, character stream. File input stream, byte stream, like a object input stream, file output stream, object output stream, print stream. These are byte streams. File reader, file writer, buffered writer, and input stream reader, output stream writer, print writer. These all comes under character streams. Okay. Reader, writer is their character stream. Stream is their byte stream. It is very simple. See in the class name only can you answer. Okay. Now, is it over? If you want to use blob, set binary stream method. If you want to use glob, set character stream method. Okay. Now, see the program. Suppose blob demo. First connection establishment is common. Class dot for name. Oracle dot JDBC dot driver dot Oracle driver. It is common. Connection. Driver manager dot get connection. Here URL JDBC colon Oracle colon tin colon at localhost colon 1521 colon XC system manager. It will throw exceptions, try catch blocks. This is common code every day we are using. Okay. Now here you observe. After this, is there dynamic query or static query? Dynamic query. For dynamic query, which interface required? Prepared statement. What we have tried? Prepared statement. Something PSCMT equal to connection reference dot prepare statement is a method. Okay. Now here we have tried SQL query. Now what is the SQL query we have tried? Insert into images values. Now question mark. First of all, the table should be there in a database. Okay. Now How to create table? Now, how to create table? Create table images. Next, name varchar to 10. Next, image blob. It already is there. Okay, 1 minute. I'll drop. I'll create. Table dropped. Now I'll create again. Now create table images. Now name varchar to 10. Image blob. Table created. Okay. Now if I write select a star from images, what will you get? No rows selected. Okay. Now you observe dynamic query I created. 2 question marks we have to fill. First question mark, name of the image. Name of the image in the diagram you observe. Name of the image also flowers. I am passing at the command prompt. That is received by command line argument string args of 0. That is we have to insert. Which method you have to call? Prepared statement dot set. What did you write? Set string. Question mark number 1. That is string required. What do you write? Args of 0. It's over. The first question mark as it is. See, args of 0. Year 1. 1 comma args of 0. It is directly inserted. It's over. This second one. Now second one you observe. Prepared statement dot set binary stream. Here how many parameters are there? Just now given. How many parameters? 3 parameters. What is first parameter? Question mark number. What is that? 2. Second one. What is the parameter? Input stream. Input stream. It will take input stream. Now, actually, this is file input stream. In the diagram I given, this is a file input stream. File input stream object. First you have to create. What you have to write? File input stream. FIS equal to new file input stream. Here file name you have to pass. That is args of 1. Now what this line will do? Object is created. Okay. What like this will do? Functionality of this class, this object line. New consider means object created. That is leave it. New consider means object created. Later object reference created. Okay. The functionality of this consider. This consider. You studied. It opens a file for reading. That line will open the file for reading. If the file is there, it will be open for reading. The file is not there, file not found exception comes. Okay. Now, file is there, open. That content we have to store. That means this reference you have to place here. Now, FIS. Actually, what is a parameter? Second parameter, actual parameter, input stream. But what I passed? File input stream. Is it valid or not valid? Valid or not valid? How it is valid? In a file input stream is there. How it is valid? No, actually that input stream object it takes, but I'm passing file input stream. How it is valid? Now student class object is there. Student class object required. Can I pass employee class object? No, no, it will take input stream. I am passing file input stream. Valid or not valid? If it is valid, how it is valid? If it is not valid, why it is not valid? Give me answer. It is valid. It is subclass object. Upcasting. Yes. Upcasting. Here, input stream is a superclass and output stream is a subclass. Input stream is a superclass. File input stream is a subclass. Input stream is a superclass. File input stream is a subclass. Now, actual class is input stream. Actually, what it takes? Input stream. What I passed? File input stream. Subclass object or subclass reference. If you pass to superclass, that concept is called upcasting. Upcasting always valid, but downcasting, when it is valid? Downcasting always requires upcasting as well as explicit type conversion required. This is core Java or advanced Java? Core Java. Okay. Superclass reference is there. Subclass object you can pass. But subclass reference is there. Superclass object you cannot pass. If you want to pass, first upcasting compulsory as well as explicit type conversion compulsory. Otherwise not valid. But in this case, upcasting always valid. It takes input stream. I passed file input stream, valid. If it is takes file input stream, you cannot pass input stream. Okay, this is called upcasting. Upcasting, no restriction, always valid. Because if you create subclass object, in that subclass object, superclass members are present or not? Present. That's what valid. In this object, both the classes members present. It takes only input stream. Input stream members also present in this object. Inherited, derived, features inherited. That's what valid. Okay. So with upcasting feature, this line is valid. What is third parameter? Length of the stream. That file, how many bytes are there? That number of bytes you have to pass. How to get the number of bytes? Which method you have to call to get the number of bytes? What is it? Get bytes? Not there. Size also not there. Length also not there. Java streams. Get byte not there. Get bytes not there. Length also not there. Size also not there. Available. Available method returns. Okay, available. See, if you open file input stream class, Java P java.io.file input stream. Here, see, available. It returns file size. So this available method you have to call. See, there is no size method. There is no length method. There is no length. There is no size. Available method is there. In core Java classes, programs also explained how to read data from file, how to copy data to a file, how to copy data from one file to another file. This is all explained. So here in this line, file open for reading. That file stream inserted. If 100 bytes are there, 100. If 1000 is there, 1000. This actually you can write here like this. Otherwise, integer sum x equal to fis dot available. This x you can write here. This x you can write because this is the third parameter integer only, no? Integer. So instead of writing like this, directly I'm writing FIS dot available. It is also valid. It returns integer available. If 100 bytes are there, 100 bytes. 1000 is there, 1000. 20 is there, 20. Exact number of bytes. Okay. This stream inserted, stream length inserted. Up to that, it will take the data. Stream nothing but flow of data. This is file. This is stream. This stream length, this number of bytes, it comes inserted. After this, now first question mark filled, second question mark filled. Now you have to execute. Is it insert query? It is DDL or DML or DQL? DML. DML query, if you want to execute, which method you have to call? Execute update. PSTMT dot execute update. System dot out dot println. One image inserted successfully. Okay. Now see, one image inserted successfully. File, save. Something blob demo dot java. Save. Blob demo. Save. It is saved. Here, file input stream in which package? IO package. So import java.io.star. File, save. Now we can compile. Java C blob demo.java. Java blob demo. Flowers.jpg. That file is present in the same drive, same location. That's what only file name you can write. The file in another drive, other location, complete path you have to write. Same location means only name enough. Another location means path required. Now, see, one image inserted successfully. Now, if you want to see the image, what you have to write here? Select star from images. Okay. Will it display image here? See, ASCII code, image ASCII code. This is happened. Flowers, name of the image. This is image. This is image. Because that console cannot display. But image stored. Otherwise, previously we got it. This one, no rows selected. But you are not getting no rows selected. Image stored. We cannot see here. How to see? This data from database we have to read. We have to display in browser. We can see. If you want to display in browser, next topic. Solids. At the time we can display. Okay, next topic, browser server communication. Every day main method is not required. Next class, next topic onwards. Okay. This is blob program. Write it. Program to demonstrate blob. Now, in the place of this one, audio file, video file, whatever you want, you can store. Program to demonstrate blob. Write this program. Write the program, I'll explain. So like this only club, set character stream, file reader class you have to take. Is it over? This is about blob. So like this only club I can write. Only here file input stream place file reader. Here file reader reference you can pass. Okay. Here blob and club. Otherwise, even one more method is there. Set ASCII stream. Set ASCII stream also is there. With that also possible. With that also possible. It is image inserted. ASCII code if you want to insert as ASCII stream also is there. Now, is it over? Next concept. Row sets. Next concept, row sets. Result set you studied, no? Like that only, row sets. See, a row set is an object. Note down. A row set is an object that encapsulates set of rows from database. A row set is an object that encapsulates set of rows from database. A row set is an object that encapsulates set of rows from database. Say you studied result set. Result set definition, row set definition, it is same. What's the difference between result set, row set? I would explain. Next, write it. There are 5 row sets. First one, JDBC row set. Second one, cached row set. Third one, web row set. Fourth one, filtered row set. Fifth one, join row set. There are 5 row sets. First one, JDBC row set. Second one, cached row set. Third one, web row set. Fourth one, filtered row set. Fifth one, join row set. But result set, one result set only, 3 types is there. There only we are passing parameters. But here class interface names only different. Interface names only different. There what we are writing, result set only we are writing. But while creating, we are passing type. Sensitive or insensitive forward only. Like that we are writing. But for us, interface name one only appears. That is also 3 types of result set. Here 5 types of row set, 5 class interface names only different given. What's the difference you have to learn? Write it. The above all are interfaces in Java x.sql.rowset package. The above all are interfaces in Java x.sql.rowset package. The above all are interfaces in Java x.sql.rowset package. So 5 row sets are there. JDBC row set, cached row set, web row set, filtered row set, join row set. 5 row sets are interfaces in this package, Java x.sql.rowset package. But result set definition, row set definition, same is there. No change. Result set definition, row set definition, same. But what's the difference between result set and row sets? Note down. Differences between result set and row sets. Differences between result set and row sets. Differences between result set and rosettes. First one, result set is non-serializable object. Here, all rosettes are serializable objects. Result set is non-serializable object. All rosettes are serializable objects. Result set is non-serializable object. All rosettes are serializable objects. This is the first difference. Second difference. Result set is connected object. Here, JDBC rosette is connected object and remaining rosettes are disconnected objects. I'll explain, just write it. Result set is connected object, JDBC rosette is connected object, and remaining rosettes are disconnected objects. Third one. Result set is not a Java bean. Here, all rosettes are Java beans. All rosettes are Java beans. Fourth difference. In order to get result set, we need, in order to get result set, we need connection interface, comma, driver manager class, and statement interface. In order to get rosette, we need rosette implementation class only. In order to get rosette, we need rosette implementation class only. In order to get result set, we need connection interface, driver manager class, and statement interface. In order to get rosette, we need rosette implementation class only. Rosettes, 5 rosettes are there. Okay. Now, see how many differences are there? 4 differences. What is the first difference? Result set is non-serializable. Rosettes are serializable. Second difference, result set is connected object. All rosette side, one rosette is connected, remaining rosettes are disconnected. Third difference, result set is not a Java bean. All row sets are Java beans. Fourth difference, in order to get result set, we need connection interface, driver manager class, statement interface. But here only implementation class. Here, to understand these differences, you observe for every difference, one concept is there. For understanding first difference, what is serialization required? To understand second difference, what is connected, what is disconnected object required? To understand third difference, what is Java bean required? To understand fourth difference, program required. Okay. For every difference, one concept is there. But first difference, it is core Java. Serialization. Sorry, no? What is serialization? You are giving answers, but I'm not getting. What is serialization? Different answers are there. That's what not getting. Converting object into bits. That is called serialization. Why we need to convert? What are the operations conversion required? Writing to a file, reading from file, writing to a network, reading from network. 4 operations. Object must be serializable. How to make object as a serializable object? Serializable interface required. Okay. Those all I have to explain. I'll explain tomorrow class, because all people not completed file streams, I think, in core Java class. Okay. Now, dear, what is serialization? I have to explain. Why do we need serialization? I have to explain. Connected, disconnected, I have to explain. Java bean rules, I have to explain. Here program, I have to explain. These all we'll see tomorrow class. Okay, tomorrow I'll explain. Online student, just wait 2 minutes. I'll clarify your doubts. Yesterday it was disconnected while clarifying your doubts. Okay, yesterday it was disconnected. Now I'll clarify your doubts. Just wait 2 minutes.